This SCMI SC-900 36-inch vertical bandsaw is in amazing condition inside and out, both mechanically and cosmetically. If I take and unlock your guide and guard and raise it all the way up, you are going to have 22 inches from the bottom of the guide to the table, 21 and a half under the hand wheel, so we are going to call it 21 and a half inches. Your max blade width is going to be 1 3/4 inches. Your blade length is going to be from 239 1/8 of an inch to 247 3/16 of an inch. This table is 46 inches wide and 31 inches deep. It does have the original fence plate, which is hard to believe. Beautiful grind pattern on the table. I mean, the relief is just amazing. It's in amazing condition. I think we have one little blemish right here, but that's about it. That table is going to tilt to 45 degrees. Your other guide is located here, of course. This is considered a 36-inch bandsaw because your wheels are 36 inches in size. That's a nominal size. Look at the condition of those wheels. Again, I don't know where this one's been hiding, but look at the condition. I mean, just amazing. And this is the original paint. I mean, even that brush is in amazing condition. Kind of a time capsule machine. If we come in, if I shine a light onto those wheels, you're going to see they are in very good condition. Really nice face. And again, if we come and look at your lower wheel, you're going to see it is in the same condition. It does have a working foot brake. Go ahead and close these doors real fast. This particular machine is powered by, I believe it's a 6.8 kilowatt motor, which is going to equal 9.2 horsepower. Gonna go ahead and start it real fast. Really, really quiet running machine. I can easily talk over it. I am going to hit that foot brake. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.